What's going on, guys? Black Love. Thought I'll give you guys a short video on how to make them 808s and kicks very clean and efficient while playing along with each other. Now let's jump right in. Now the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that your kicks are being routed into your mixer, and you want to also make sure that your 808s are being routed into your mixer. Now it does not matter which slot or which number you put them in. I'm going to show you guys right now. I have my kick right here where it says Black Beat Sig Kick. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to navigate to my 808 insert. Right down here, I'm going to right click and I'm going to side chain to this track. Now what you want to do, you want to come up here and you want to grab the fruity limiter. Now from there, you want to click on the comp, navigate to where it says sidechain, right click, and you want to select the insert of where we are sidechaining from, which was going to be your kick, obviously. You want to select your kick. You want to get a reading of what the 808 is doing down here. So I am going to, I don't want to play you guys the whole thing. Let me just solo this 808. So this is a visual representation of the signal that's coming in. Now you simply want to adjust your threshold. Everybody's going to be different. It's going to truly depend on your preference. So now, just to get the basics of this idea or tip down, you want to adjust your threshold. You see this line right here. I like to have it hovering right above the peaks or the transients of the 808, somewhere below -13 decibels. I'm going to adjust my ratio. This is basically how hard the threshold is being, affected, and your attack and release. It's all up to you. So if I unsolo that, now this is the loop that I have prepared for you. The kicks are already in place. Now I want you to look at what the fruity limiter is doing every time you hear the kicks play on top of the 808. Look at the visual representation. So as you can already hear, the kicks and the 808, they sound very good together. Now, if I was to exaggerate this so you can definitely hear what it's doing, I'm going to take the threshold all the way down and listen to the 808. But what if I mute the kick? Is it going to give me the same results? No, so the compressor or the fruity limiter is only responding when the kick is playing at the same time that the 808 is playing. So what it's doing is ducking, it's taking it down, it's turning the volume down at that exact instance that they are playing on top of each other. So that's why the adjustments of what you do with your threshold is solely going to depend on you. But as you can hear, now this is just an extra tip for the video. Let's say if I wanted the kick to hit a bit harder, how do I get the kick to hit harder when it's already hitting? It's already booming. I know you guys hear that. So I'm going to show you guys what I would do. I would just simply take the fruity fast distort, turn that on, and I'll adjust the parallel compression right here, or the parallel knob. I would somewhere between 30. Listen to it. Listen to that. All right, guys, I hope that helped you out. Black Love signing out. If you liked the video, subscribe, comment, and also click that like button and that bell notification, because I will be dropping a lot of content. I'm giving out all of my secrets. This is just the beginning. First video in a while. Black Love. Check out my music also. I am an artist. Check out my music on my page also. If you like the video, like I say, subscribe, stay tuned. I will be putting out a lot more great content. Peace out.